A. Silambasan, AVS College of Arts and Science, Assistant Professor, PhD and Research Department of Chemistry. In this video, so nanostructure, cerium, transium substituted hydroxyapatite polymer composite for orthopedic applications. Introduction, experimental work, result and discussion, summary and conclusion. Introduction of biomaterials. Biomaterials are used to device to replace a part of a function of the body and said to reflect to economically and physically acceptable manners. And next one, rarely for of the devices and its material are used to treatments of the disease and injury, common and replacement. Example include structure of ribs and flaps and teeth and spleen. And next one, biomaterials are mainly utilized from the implements and structures on bone plates and joint replacement, ligaments and vascular grafts and etc. So, and the medical devices to devices and placement and biosensor and artificial and heart and blood tips etc. Classification of biomaterials and metals, polymers, another one composite, next one ceramics. Applications of biomaterials, joint replacements, bone plates, bone cements and artificial ligament and tendons and dental implants and for the tooth fixation and art values. And bioceramics. Bioceramics are intended the choice of the hearts or tissues implants because their mineral space, aluminium, zirconia, and calcium, apatites and etc. have been widely used as ceramic materials. In recent years, it was related to that ceramics and their composite can also used to augment and replace various parts of the body, particularly bone. Similar phase bone calcium hydroxyapatites and makes to up to 69% weight of their bone. Types of bioceramics, ceramics and two types on bone inert and bone active. First one, bone inerts, bone gift and cement and bone acceptables and formal and Frobus and bone actives on bioactive ceramics hydroxyapatite HCl. This formula Ca10PO4 6 OH twice and similar composition of the bone, high biocompatibility, good absorptive and properties. Hydroxyapatite HCAP. HAP means formula Ca10PO4 6 and OH2, so also known as hydroxyapatite. And observative and HAP is an inorganic compound which is as non-toxic bioactive ceramics and whose chemical is similar to the composition of a bone. So nanostructures of HAP is powder. And next one, biopolymers. This polymethyl methacrylates PMMA. It is hard brittle polymers and appears to be unsuitable for most clinical applications, but it does have several important characteristics. So next one, this can be prepared under implemented conditions so that it can be manipulated in operating theaters in dental clinicals and explaining its use into dentals and to bone cements. The next one, the relative success the mini joint processes and dependence on the performance and the PMMA polymethyl methacrylate cements, which is prepared is intraoperatively by mixing powders. Polymer is monomeric methyl and methyl acrylates which is formed out and can be placed to bone. So where this sets. Next one, the characterization of techniques is first one. See, in order to get exact information about the functional groups and crystal structure and surface morphologies, particle size, as elemental composition are characterized by the following techniques. The first one, FTR, Fourier transforms, infrared spectroscopy. So another one, XRD, say X-ray diffraction. The third one was SEM scanning and scanning electron microscopes, and fourth one, antibacterial activities. This side on the transmitters, another side is wave number centimeters and so on. Then into 5, 8 and 3 to the speaking splitting to 100 to transmitter to percentage. Next one, the FTR spectrum of HCFB, the speeds observed 344 and to 1634 centimeters as compared to the characteristics stretching and vibration mode are structural OH groups. next one, this characteristic speak for the phosphate groups. We observed 588 and 724 centimeters and 942 etc. in respectively to obtained peaks confirm the formations of HAP powders. Another one, FTIR spectrums of cerium, transium and HAP speaks. Wave number is centimeters inverse one, another side transmitted percentage, and 582 and another one 10 transmitter and percentage 10. So they speak to some ranges in the cerium and transium HAP powders. FTIR spectrum is cerium and transium HAP powder. The spectral data of the cerium and transium substituted HAP powders in the peaks like HAP. This peak observed 344.724 centimeters ascribed to the characteristic stitching and the vibration mode of structural OH groups substituted. Thank you.